So we've got 3 rings to make, 4 rings to make in fact. It's a challenge that Heather put forward on 3dcadjewelry.com. Jewelry spelt the American way. And essentially we have a customer that wants a ring making. It's a signet ring with 2 dragonflies and engraving on the top. And then she decides she doesn't want the engraving, she wants a ½ carat round diamond in the middle of it, and then she wants it rendering. And then she's got 2 sisters that want the same ring, one's a size 8 but with a bigger stone in it. And then the next scenario is that she's got the other sister, she's a size 6 and she wants lots of a cluster of diamonds to make it look like a big one. So that's what we're going to try and have a go at doing today. This is an image of the dragonfly, so I'm going to start with this. No, I don't tend to use a lot of memory and stuff when I use history when I'm using Matrix, just because I sort of started using Rhino first and I don't know, I just didn't use it, and then I've carried it on to this. But I do use it for certain things, but for this I don't think I'll be bothering. So basically got T-splines. We'll go drag this out so it's where we can use it. And then we'll go to append. We'll draw a box. I'll do, and then we'll select that and that, get the edge, and then filled out we can drag that down, select those 2 edges. Oops, I'll tell you what we'll do, we'll put that onto that layer and lock it. Okay, and we can drag that edge and that edge if it allows. And again, drag that out, drag that out, drag that out, and one more. Okay, and then we'll switch over to that mode. Just pull this in till no, it's because it's on the fast setting that I think. Okay. Something like that. I drag it up there a bit. And then what we're going to do is turn that off for now. They can leave it on, turn on now and turn that off. Select this, and I'm going to copy that from there to there. And I'm going to select that. Oops. Something like that. Turn it on, select points again. And then just work around this so it matches that. I'm not going to spend ages on this, but you get the general idea. Got some oddness going on there. And then just work around That'll do. We'll select them, and we're going to mirror them around there to there. I'll select that. Move that up there. Something like that. Right, and then we're going to go into solid, no, T-spline, sorry, and we want the quad ball. I'll shift to its central. Go there. Repeat the command. And repeat the command. Okay. Okay. And we'll scale these. Like that. Same with that one, scale it. Something like that. Maybe scale that one a little bit as well. Okay. Then we're going to select the wing. And we're going to thicken that. Oh no, if I was doing this in 3D view, so you know you're on the right way with it. 0.5 of a mil, maybe. Maybe a bit more. So rerun the command, and we'll go 0.65 of a mil. Same on that one, pull it up, 0.65. Same on that one. 0.65, 0.65, okay. And then we're going to select these. Oops, I wonder if we have the right setting on, we are. Select them and them, and we're going to bridge them. The bridge command, and same with these bits. I'm going to bridge them with a bridge command. Oh, bridge, there you go. Oh, that's not liking that. Bridge, so let's face this to bridge. On there, enter when done. There we go, and same in here, but not that one. And you could do that, but I'm not even going to bother, to be honest. I'll wait till I change them and do them with a boolean in a bit. So let's just go into that mode, drag them over so they're in the middle. Oh, there we go. So there's our moth thing. What's it called? Not a moth, a mosquito. Oh, I can't remember. Dragonfly, that's it. And then if you wanted to pull these out now, you can go into it and tweak it to your heart's content. There we go. Right, so we need to add a bit of texture to it now. So what could we do? Let's turn that off for now. Oops, make that current, turn that layer off. Curve. Oh, get the near snap on. Do we putting these in a different colour so we can see them a bit clearer? Maybe not that colour either. Okay, something like that. Let's turn that off now. I'll select all these we've just done. We'll put them on the red layer so we can pick them out easy. So we'll select them now. Pull. I think it's a TS pull, but that one will do anyway. That one. Okay. So we've got that one there and that one there. We'll select the red one now. Delete it. That leaves us with the yellow one. Now let's turn our thing off, and we want to go TS pipe. There's a bit of a funny bit there, but it should be alright. So let's just click into that segment, say I want reducing. So let's say, I don't know, 5. Yeah. Select that, and if we pick our T-splines, choppy, just drag it out while we're doing, and we mesh that smooth. That's giving us that. That'll do us. Pop that in there. Bring back our butterfly thing. Select the Meta T-spline surface, and we'll let's get on that one. We'll mirror that. F4 over to. Ooh, where's that gone? Mirror that. F4, something like that. And then we'll turn T-splines off a sec. I prefer using this than the T-splines one. Pull that round a touch. And then we'll just push in there. Same thing again, select that T-splines mesh, and then we'll copy that from there to there. We'll scale it down a bit and shorten a bit. And we'll mirror that over to okay, so let's have a look what we've got now. That's no good on that one, look. So let's just like that. We'll just pull that up there. Bit like that. Okay. Now we need to boolean this all together. At the moment this is all T-splines, so I'll just make a copy of it so we can go back to it if need be. And then there's this button here, it's T-splines, that'll convert everything to NURBS. Sometimes you shouldn't really do it all together, but we have done. We'll go into this, and we'll go to body, and we want to join that to the wings. Oh, not you, you and you. That will do the boolean, and then we'll go with that. Okay, I'll jump back to that as well. And then we'll pop that onto, oops, where my layer's gone now, we'll pop that onto red layer, turn it off, or delete them. Okay, so what we need to do now is build our first ring. Which is straightforward enough. We have a signet ring builder. We want to edit at the top to an overlay sort, possibly. We want a ring rail, and the ring is size 5. There we go. And let's start building that. Oops. So it's massively too big. So I don't know. Go down to 10 or something. I don't know, whatever. Bring that down. We don't see much thickness in that. A bit thick too. So 1.8. I don't know, something like that. That's given us our ring. So what did we need to do now? Put dragonflies on the side. So let's put some cutouts in the side of this. Come stop here. So if we go into stay in that view and then go project, curves to project, I know we're done, surface, I know we're done, and that's giving us this sort of an affair. Right, so what we can do now, we can delete that, or save onto that later if you want. So let's go tools, pull back, surface, that, curve, okay. Let's go back onto that layer. Do the same thing, go all over again. That. Curve. That. And put that back onto that surface, put that in there, select that one, put that in there, put that back onto there. I've got a bit of cutout in there to make it lighter. Okay, rid of that for now. So I don't know what the initials are, so we're just having that like that. Page edit that to a bounding box. Okay, so now we need to put our dragonflies on the side. So we'll go to curve, just toggle that to about there, and one to about there, one to there, one to there, Jeep edge, one there, one there. Turn our green bit off, that's easier. He says when there's a million lines everywhere. Okay, and sweep 2. Okay, nice surface there. Bring our ring back. Where did we put our dragonfly there? No. Let's put him up here. Whiz him round there. A bit touch on the big side there. Okay. And then what we need to do is curve, hold it up here, curves from objects, create UV curves. Okay, let's put that up here. Oakley dokley. If that's going on that wants to be that way. Oops. A hairy mosquito. Sounds wrong, doesn't it? Like a cocktail. Okay, so let's select that and let's shrink him down. But we'll do a transform 2D scale from. I'll do. Okay. This now is our explode that surface 2. Okay, let's put on a grey layer. Right, bring our mosquito back. Now we will shrink the wings down a bit. Something like that. Okie dokie. And then what use face surface is there. Now reds are pointing down, blues across, yellows are out, so that's good to go. So that's par. We just keep that wide. Now it's a little bit low, so if we select that on here, pull that up. Put it on there, that way. we go. And then maybe pull his tail down a little bit longer. So select it and we'll go transform, scale 1D. From there to there. Oh. Someday in now. There we go. It definitely looks like a mosquito now. But anyway, so we'll just take that away onto there, and then we'll copy that over to there. Right, so that's done. And that tail wants to be a bit fatter though, doesn't it? So let's get rid of that. Oops. Delete that. Right, so if we get the body now, I don't know if this will work. Should we try it? Transform, cage edit, cage edit. Select captured objects, bounding box, and then we pick that one. Oh, you rascal. We pick that one, 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 that one. That one, that one, that one. Basically, that one's, and then put not that, and then pull that out. Got a bit wider on it now. Put that back into ellipse to now. Oh, maybe not. Okay, so that's that ring done, and I want to render doing. So and then whoa. Right, so I've got that opened up like that. Gems, half a carat. Okay, there we go. Well, there, and then I'd go into settings. Onto the, open that right out like that. Oh, it's coming right down. Don't want it. Okay, and then we'll go into like that. Put on oh, brown blue, as you just see. Hit that, explode that. We've got this sort of idea then, and then we'll hit that as well. Nope. 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 Yeah. That annoyed me. And then we'll go blend surface. Up a bit, yeah. And then scale it out so I've got a bit more. Blend surface. Okay. There we go. So that's that one. Put stone back in it and drop back that one. Now, this one then wants to go to, what is it? Size 8. Ah, she must be a big girl. And 1.75, so rather than getting all technical, this is probably how I go about doing this one. So MSR, oops, and I'd scale that stone out to be 0.75. And the scale is 1.12, so enter to take that, and then I would transform, cage edit, bounding box, number of points in the Z8, okay, and then I'd hit that like that. And I'll go into top view and transform and then scale 2D from F4 and then I'd want it to go 1.12. okay. And that's just brought that top of that out. Oh, come on. Nice to fit that stone there. That's the bigger stone then. Retain everything else, but the only thing with that now is it has to be size 8. So what I'd do is I'd jog back that with a bigger stone, and then I'd go into this one, select that, go into tools, ring resizer, put the model in there and draw that line around there, and draw that line there, and then I'd opt for number 8 and then resize that. That's better. So that's that one. So we can put that into there. That one then. I don't mind. So explode it. Show that. Show that. And then add. But we've still got a hole here. So what I do here is dupe. Dupe border will do. So that's there. We'll put that on that colour so it stands out. And then I'd select a curve with quad settings on. Go from that quad to that quad. Again, let's put that onto that one. In fact, we're working that one. And then I would that curve, and I want to split that. Surface 2, so that's one, that's one. I want to go to a point there, I want to go to that, I want to go to a point there, there we go. We'll bring that back, and we'll click them together. Join, 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 join. Put that back onto that layer. Right. And then probably I have a gem on a curve, or let's try the Parve builder. Where's and then a curve, quad to quad, so let's take green off again. Split that. Ah, you rascal. The point there, there, and then surface sweep 2, go up to a point that, and go a point there, and there's we've got a nice clean surface now. So bring that back. Now we'll go gems, that one, and we'll go surface is our yellow one, and base and direction is there, We want it shift on so we can lock it now. And then we want stone size 1.2. I don't know. We can always adjust them. 1.2, 1.2, and we'll go for normal, and we'll go for hex, and no, so let's make them bigger. 1.5, 1.5, 1.5. Run. I think we still can go a bit bigger than that, can't we? 1.8, 1.8, 1.8. Yeah, we'll go for that. Now if you look at them, they are upside down. So if we can flip them, there we go. Say done at that. So we've got our stones there now. We can bring them around a little bit. So there we go. And then we will go. So there we have it, the last ring. I think, to be honest, I'd spend a bit more time blending this, maybe run the blend from the top down to closer to here somewhere, and that still looks like mosquito, but anyway, probably might be a touch big, but it'll be alright. Now you can take that into 3D coat and smooth it for a better render. These sharp edges aren't very good, but usually the fillet fails if you were to do them around there, and it'd make it more polished for rendering purposes, but for manufacturing I think that's okay. Yep, so that's it. It's Friday night, I'm going for a beer now, but I hope that helps out a little bit. If any questions, just ask away, and we'll see how it goes. Alright then, thanks a lot for watching, goodbye.